What is up, guys? NinjaCraft here, and well, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to solve a pyraminx. Okay, guys. So the first step. Well, this is optional, but I would suggest you getting a good pyraminx, like I don't know, Moyu maybe, because I've heard they're really good. But the cheapest and best one that I've seen is the Kiwi cube, the Kiwi, I don't know, but it's actually really good. The Kiwi cube, I have no idea how to pronounce that, but it's actually really good. I bought the stickerless version. I think they only sell stickerless version, but it's really good. After I added a bit of lube to it, it's turning out really good. And well, this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to get sub 15 on pyraminx. I average around 13 seconds, but occasionally I'll get sub 10 solves on pyraminx. The first thing you'll need to know are what are the pieces like. So this method only includes one algorithm, and everything else is intuitive, but you also will need to learn some other things. For beginners, you will need to learn which pieces are which. So I call these edges. I call these tips because they're on the tip of the pyraminx. But you can call them corners. And I call these pieces over here edges because they're on the edge of the pyraminx, over here, and over here. So they're on the edge of the pyraminx, over here and over here. And I call, so the one with a sticker on it, and with the stickerless, and with the stickerless, I call these three corners because the edges and the tips, I call these centers because the edges and tips, this is in the center of them. So this is center in the center of two edges and one tip, and this center is in the middle of two edges and one tip, and so is this edge. So is the center. And the next thing, so that wasn't really hard, hopefully. And the next thing you'll need to learn is permutations. So the permutation is really simple, actually. Okay, so it's the same as a 3x3. You move. So with this, so this is a U over here. So it's basically a 3x3. So this is a U. This is a U prime. This is a U prime. U prime, U prime. And I don't know, but one good way of gripping a pyraminx is to grip it with you put your one thumb on the center and the other thumb on the center. So it's really easy to do algorithms on. So yeah. And so let's get back to permutations. This is a U because you're moving the up to the side. And this is a U prime because you're moving it away. So it's basically opposite from U. So U prime, U. U prime, U. And you can pause this video and go back and sort of remember it, or write it on a piece of paper. This is a R because you're moving the right down. Actually, no, you're moving it up. So this would be an R, and this would be an R prime. R prime, R. R prime, R. And then this, of course, is left L, and this is L prime, L, L prime, L, L prime. So L is up, and L prime is down. Anyway, so, and when I say fix the tips, then all I'm saying is just fix the tips so it matches everything else. So fix the tips. And well, so let's scramble it. Okay, so first an inspection. If you want to do this in competitions, if you want to start doing pyraminx in competition, then well, this is what you'll basically need to do. So you'll inspect, and the first step is to build all 3 centers over here. All 3 centers. But that's impossible because the center next to the yellow is a red, and the center next to the yellow is blue. So that does not pair. The centers do not match. But you can see over here, this center over here, the next to it is red. So then you know that this center will have to go over here to take this place. So you can do a R and a weird big R sort of ish. Yeah, like a big gigantic R. And that will successfully pair up. And always you'll have to make an extra U or U prime. I mean a U or U prime to match all the centers. Okay guys, now fix the tips. So I fixed it. Now these tips are all looking matched with the centers. And then you just put it in. So it's sort of like the 3x3. You take it down, move it up, and move it in place. And it's same with this. You move it out, move it up, move it in place. And so so you don't fully create the first layer. You just create a V shape like thing over here. So yeah, that was all intuitive. Now there's no algorithms for this step. So the step is to move it to the side, like so. You can see this over here is a blue and a red. Well, you move blue and red over here, so you pair it. So blue and red, the blue and red edge piece is matching the blue and red center piece. So just move up. And then you spot where the yellow center piece is, edge piece is, it's over here. So you move this made piece over here out and put that in. So then you know this is over here, and you don't want to destroy this matched piece over here. So you move that out of the way, move that in, move that 2 times, and move that in. And then fix the tips. Okay, and then you have this large, sort of like a V shape over here. So it's sort of like a V, 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 V. And well, you want to, I call this like the spine, when in this, the spine wants to be facing back. And this is the only algorithm you need to do. So like I said, your middle finger might be resting over here with both fingers, thumb gripping the tips and the centers. And you go down, down, up, up. And then you move this finger over here, and you still do the same. You grip it, and then it would be a U, and then a L, a U prime, and an L prime. And that's just all of the cube. Tell me in the comments down below if you have any troubles. I will definitely answer them. I might make a video to answer your question, or I will just I'll just answer them in the comments. If it's a good question, then I'll answer it in a video. If it's an easy answer to be explained, I'll just answer your question in the comments. See you guys next time. Hopefully, guys, you enjoyed this videos and like this video, and hopefully we can get 10 views by the end of this week. Subscribe if you haven't, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.